How to change nickname on Discord. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. To change nickname on Discord, what you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then you can see this side menu open, and then there you can see is your Discord server. And then what you have to do to change your nickname is you have to click on the three dots of your server in the top right corner, and then you have to scroll down, and then you can see the change nickname. So you have to click on the change nickname, and then you have to add your nickname. You can add your name, or you can add your nickname. So after that, you can after adding your nickname, you have to click on the save button, and then you have added your nickname to the to the Discord. So that's basically it, that how you can add the nickname on the Discord. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate